Very good morning, students. Our session of auditing and corporate governance. Now, today we are going to discuss about business ethics. As we already know that in corporate governance, we are going to see that how ethics, how the principles of code of conduct is going to be adopted by organization in their operations. So, the first point in business ethics that we are going to explain is what is ethics. Yes, as we already know that we already discussed about the whole point that is about ethics. Ethics is totally related with our moral. It is totally related with our moral principles and our social values. That how we are going to consider a particular situation in our business organization in the particular area, and that totally reflects our behavior, that how we are behaving, how we are taking the situation, or it is totally based upon what is good, what is bad, what is right, what is wrong, then after what is fair and what is unfair. It is totally based upon moral and immoral behavior of the person. So, if the person adopt ethics in the organization in a proper manner, then we can easily say that the adoption of ethics is there with the proper manner. Now let's see that what is the business ethics. In a simple language, we can say that when the adoption of ethics in the corporate is known as business ethics or corporate ethics. When certain rules and regulations are going to be framed by the organization, that what employees are supposed to do and what is the working method, what is right, what is wrong, how they are going to do the particular work, that shows the basic principles of working culture. So, business ethics is totally based upon the person's moral, how they are going to consider the nature of the work, the adoption of the work in the business unit. As we know that business ethics is a form of applied ethics or professional ethics that examines ethical principles and moral of ethical problems that can arise in the business environment, because business is working internally and externally forces in the market. So in the business organization needs to work to maintain their ethical behavior internally as well as externally, and on the basis of that behavior we can say that the adoption of ethics is properly done by the organization. Business ethics refers to contemporary organizational standards, principles, state of values, and norms that govern the action and behavior of an individual in the business organization. Business ethics have two dimensions, that is normative business ethics and descriptive business ethics. That how practically we are going to adopt ethics and how theoretically we are going to conduct our ethical behavior. Now, as a career specialization and a corporate practice, the field of ethic is primary normative. The range and quality of business ethical issues refers the interaction of profit maximizing behavior with non-economic concern. Now in business ethics, it is not always we are considering the economic values, but somehow non-economical factors play a vital role in the adoption of business ethics. Now let's see the definition of business ethics. Business ethics is a study of business situation, activities and decisions where issue of right and wrong are addressed. When we are going to consider that something is right, something is wrong, so it is based upon the ground principles, and that ground principles is known as ethics. That is known as our code of conduct, that how we are behaving in the particular situation. The ethics of business is the ethics of responsibilities. We are not behaving by our way, but we need to adopt the certain rules and regulations of the organization, and on the basis of that rules and regulations, the adoption of ethics is possible. Now let's see few characteristics or features of business ethics. The first one is code of conduct. Business ethics depends upon the code of conduct, that it tells what to do and what not to do, and that is for the welfare of the society. If you are doing like this, then you are harming the society, and if you are doing like that, then it will give the benefits to the society. So it is totally make a judgment to the person's behavior, that how they are going to reflect the particular thing. Then after, based on moral and social values. Yes, business ethics is directly related with the morals and social values. Now again, it contains moral and social principles for doing the business. That includes self-control, consumer protection and welfare, service to society, and a fair treatment to the social group. Then after, gives protection to social group. Yes, with the adoption of proper ethical behavior in the organization, we can easily see that we are able to protect our social group. And that social group include customers, employees, government, shareholders, competitors, creditors, dealers, and so on. The next one is provide basic framework. Ethics provide the basic framework for doing the business, that how you are supposed to behave, how you are supposed to take the different decisions. Again, it gives the social, cultural, economical, legal, and other limited, or it gives the limitations of the business conduct. And it is highly required that the business must be conducted within this particular limits. Then after, the next one is voluntary. Business ethics is not compulsory. It is no mandatory situation that is to adopt ethics in the organization, but it is totally based upon the choice and preferences of the organization. It is like the self-discipline, that we are not going to force anyone for their behavior. They need to behave by themselves only. The next one is requires education and guidance. Yes, a proper education, a proper knowledge, proper experience, proper intelligence, proper skill is highly required for the computation of business ethics in the organization. Then after, next one is relative terms. Business ethics is a relative terms. It differ from business to business, it differ from situation to situation, and it differ from country to country. But the main purpose of ethics remains same. And the main purpose is about the truthfulness, honesty, loyalty, respect, fairness, and integrity. That remains the same, but that totally depends upon the business to business and situation to situation. And the last objective is, characteristic is new concept. Yes, business ethic is totally new concept, and it is followed only in the developed country, because they are financially strong, they are educated, they have the good understanding. But as far as the poor and developing countries are concerned, it is really very difficult to adopt ethics in these kinds of organization. Then after, the next point is about code of ethics. Yes, it is already written in your book, in your PPT. Just have a look. Code of ethics is nothing but it is a written document in which the head of the organization, that is the board of the organization, they are going to write what to do, what not to do, what is the ethical values, what are the ethical principles, and what is the vision and mission of the organization. So in a nutshell, we can say that when you are writing your thoughts on your paper, that is about the adoption of ethics, then that is known as code of ethics. Just have a look and